So taking a minute to arrive, whatever may have happened earlier in our day today, or even in our week, or in our month, or our year. Just allowing ourselves to let that go for the next few minutes. Even if it's something important that we have to solve, we're just going to allow ourselves this freedom and this important time to just sit with ourselves. To practice being with ourselves. Feeling our body just as it is. And noticing our breath just as it is. Maybe when we notice our body, we also notice a change in our breathing. Or maybe when we notice our breathing, we also notice a change in our body. Whatever is happening, whatever we notice, just taking that in. Allowing ourselves to be awake to that experience. And as we sit here, we deepen our connection to our breathing. We sharpen our focus onto our breathing. Not in an aggressive way, but again in an awakened way, where we're just present and aware as much as we can be. As our thoughts eventually pull us away from our breath, we just engage the practice. We remind ourselves, hey, that's thinking. Hey, that's worrying. hey, that's anger or any kind of feeling. Whatever story we might be attaching to in our mind, we can just say, thank you very much, and I'm going to go back to meditating now. If our mind is unruly or out of control, we can take a loose hold of it, giving some space, almost like we're zooming out. We're creating space around that chaos or those frantic thoughts. And if your mind is calm now, then just allowing my voice to go into the background, just another sound in your room or your space. Coming back to the breathing. Watching each breath. Being present for the beginning, the middle, and the end of the inhale and the exhale. And keeping our focus as we sit this last minute together in silence. wasn't expecting that little bell there, but there you have it. Thanks so much for sitting with me, and I will see you next time. Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for keeping up with the Just Meditate series. I hope it's going well for you. Let me know in the comments if you're having any particular problems or if you have any questions that I maybe haven't addressed or that you're just finding along your way of meditation. If you could give any of the videos a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And if you would consider subscribing or sharing with friends, that would also be a really big help. And that's it. So have a great day and thanks so much.